In a small, sunlit classroom filled with laughter and the rustling of pages, sat Aisha, girl as radiant as the morning sun. She was known for her kindness, her long flowing hair that danced with the wind, and her bright eyes that held 1,000 dreams. But amidst all her beauty and charm, she held a little secret close to her heart, a crush on her classmate, Rayyan. Rayyan was the quiet, bookish boy who always had a pencil tucked behind his ear, and a sketchbook filled with intricate drawings of places he had never been. He wasn't the loudest in the room, nor the most popular, but Aisha found herself drawn to the way his eyes sparkled when he talked about things he loved: art, space, and old stories. Every morning, Aisha would steal glances at Rayyan as he doodled away, lost in his own world. Sometimes she wished she had the courage to talk to him more, but her heart always raced too fast whenever he was near. Instead, she admired him from afar, finding joy in the smallest moments, like the way he smiled softly when he finally got a sketch just right. One day, their teacher paired them up for a class project. Aisha felt her heart leap. This was her chance. As they worked together, she found herself mesmerized by Rayyan's dedication and passion. He explained his ideas so vividly that she could almost see the images come to life. In return, she shared her thoughts with enthusiasm, making Rayyan smile more than usual. As days passed, their conversations grew longer, their laughter a little louder. Aisha realized Rayyan wasn't as distant as she thought. He was just waiting for someone to truly listen. And she was more than happy to be that person. On the last day of their project, Rayyan handed Aisha a small folded paper. Her hands trembled slightly as she opened it, revealing a simple but beautiful sketch, a drawing of her, smiling beneath a sky full of stars. At the bottom, a tiny note read, "You inspire me." Aisha's heart soared. Maybe, just maybe, her little secret wasn't a secret anymore.